Welcome to Rapid Reads Club. What if I told you that the biggest obstacle to your success is not a lack of talent, but a lack of belief in your ability to grow? In his best-selling book, Hidden Potential, Adam Grant reveals that extraordinary success doesn't belong only to geniuses. It belongs to those who never stop learning. Imagine two people starting the same journey. One is naturally gifted, the other is completely ordinary. Who wins? Most people would choose the gifted person, but according to Adam Grant, talent may give you a head start, but it doesn't guarantee the finish line. The real winners are those who embrace challenges, learn from failure, and improve a little every single day. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Every setback becomes a stepping stone. Every small improvement brings you closer to extraordinary success. Your greatest strength is not what you can do today, it's your ability to become better tomorrow. That's your hidden potential. So stop comparing yourself with others. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start learning, start growing, and trust the process. Remember this powerful message from Hidden Potential that success is not about being the most talented, it's about becoming the person who never stops improving. If you enjoyed this short book summary, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rapid Reads Club for more life-changing books in just a few minutes. Thank you very much for listening.